Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will learn how to describe your room in easy and natural English. This answer is perfect for beginners, school exams, spoken English practice, and interviews. Let's begin. My room is my favorite place in the house. I spend a lot of time there because it is quiet, clean, and comfortable. I like my room very much because it makes me feel happy and relaxed. My room is not very big, but it is beautiful and well organized. It has everything I need. When you enter my room, you can see a comfortable bed, a study table, a chair, a wardrobe, and a bookshelf. The bed is on one side of the room. I always make my bed in the morning because I like to keep my room neat and tidy. Next to my bed, there is a small table. I keep a lamp, my phone, a clock, and a bottle of water on it. Near the window, there is my study table. This is my favorite place in the room. I study there every day. I do my homework, read books, practice English, and sometimes use my laptop. I also keep my notebooks, pens, pencils, and other school things on the table. There is a large window in my room. Every morning, I open the window to let fresh air and sunlight come inside. The room becomes bright and fresh. I really enjoy sitting near the window because it is peaceful. I also have a wardrobe where I keep my clothes. I like to arrange my clothes neatly. There is also a bookshelf with my English books, storybooks, and notebooks. I enjoy reading whenever I have free time. I always try to keep my room clean. I clean it regularly, dust the furniture, and put everything in the right place. A clean room helps me study better and feel more comfortable. In my free time, I like reading books, listening to music, watching educational videos, and practicing English in my room. Sometimes I just sit quietly and think about my future goals. My room is the best place for me to relax after a busy day. My room is simple, but I love it. I don't need a very big or expensive room to be happy. For me, the most important thing is that my room is clean, peaceful, and full of positive energy. If I could change one thing, I would like to make my room a little bigger. I would also add more bookshelves, a small green plant, and a comfortable chair for reading. I think our room tells a lot about our personality. My room is clean, simple, and organized, and I always try to be the same in my daily life. That's why my room is my favorite place. I always feel safe, comfortable, and happy whenever I am there. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep practicing your English every day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.